The baddest Mother's Day present buyer, and by bad I mean good, and by good I mean great. Let's start the battle for this real estate. That's right, party people. I got two crews, both alike in dignity, and they gon' have to work it. No diggity. I got it. Okay, hold up, wait a minute. Who are you guys anyway? We are Supersonic Crew. Everybody make some noise! Back my supersonic crew, huh? All like this, and they gon' make a supersonic man out of you. So don't stop them now. Right here, I got the boys with the toys. They make the most noise. Check this, they are the groundbreakers. Sheesh, the sound makers. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the beat shakers. Hug of love and luck. She's the biggest, she's the baddest, she is the Rhythm Tribe. Alright, what's up? Enough talking, let's start the battle. Oh, Supersonic, are you guys ready to climb, huh? Because my brothers of the B seems about ready to smash! Give up, give up, give up, give up! me lose my mind, so give it up one more time. That means make some noise and clap your hands. Let's go. All right, decisions. Hey, yo, check this. I'm the king of the hill, let the hill wants to go. I'm the cypher, you step before you fall out of luck. I blow the shows, guess I rule with the mechanism. Right now I can't choose, because it doesn't make any sense, man. Hey, you guys are great, you guys are amazing, I can't decide. Let's take it to the audience. You know, what do you mean? Oh, let's take it to the audience. Oh, I like you, that's hot. Now, good kings can admit it, sometimes it gets hard to see. So I'll wise up and call for a time of democracy. And all of you can be the judge of this Roman dance explosion. So my ladies and my gents, you be the tribe that's spoken. So let's up the Indian, let's raise the stakes. Let's see if each of these crews can teach you folks to shake. Hey, hey! Get it? Get it? No? Now here's the deal. Each one of these crews are gonna pick one person from the crowd. They're gonna teach you as much as possible. And then we're gonna go head to head for a final battle royale. So beat shakers, are you ready? Supersonic crew, are you ready? Beautiful people, if you're ready, say yeah! Alright boys, let's get ready to rumble! Alright, let's see who we got in the house and represent your country. If you are from India, make some noise, India! We don't have India in the house? India, namaste! Have we got anyone here from China? No, boy, that's your house. No, anyone here from Singapore? Japan? Yes. All right, we got one, we got two over here. All right, let's get some names. Hi, what is your name? Yasmin. Where are you from, Yasmin? Hey, what's going on over here? We already got two volunteers here. Thank you very much. Clap your hands for this gentleman. Please, clap your hands. All right, we got Yasmin. Where are you from, Yasmin? Yasmin from Australia, representing Beat Shakers. Clap your hands, come on. Over here, hi. Wow, very colorful. Hi, what is your name? Hey boys, are you dancing or are you cameraman? What is your name? Hi. Mina from Japan? Mina from Japan representing the Supersonic crew. Clap your hands. All right, Mina, Yasmin. All you have to do is follow whatever they do. Mina, are you ready? Yasmin, are you ready? Beat Shakers, let's drop that beat. Go, 1, 2, 3, come on, clap your hands, rock this clap. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, oh, my God, clap your hands. All right, Nina, show us what you got. Ready? Beat Shakers, let's back them up. Ready? Go, 1, 2, 3, let's get it. Let's spice things up a little bit. Hey, hey, hey. You can tell that. To them. All right, Mina, come stand over here. Now look to the front. And the cameraman, all three say peace. Ready? 1, 2, 3, peace. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Woo! All right. It's now time for you beautiful people to decide what the crew you think should win. Let's hear it for Mina and the Supersonic crew. Make some noise. Shakers queen! You get the crazy every year. You get the crazy. I'm crazy because you know what? There can't be one winner. Hey, both of these crews get chicken dinner. No, what I'm really trying to say is Supersonic crew, Beat Shakers, you both win! Woo! We're all winners here at Rhythm Truck 2.0. Right about now, And I'm MC King Cypher. Have a beautiful day here at Universal Studios Singapore. Peace out.